Alright, what's up guys? I'm just going to talk here for a second, but this is our new project for this channel. It's a 7.3 Powerstroke from 1996, extended cab long bed, two-wheel drive. So what we want with this truck, or why we bought it, was to tow the Caprice. So I'm in the hunt for a trailer now, hopefully somewhere between 18 and 20 feet. But this is it. I mean, it seems pretty squared away. It doesn't really need anything, doesn't really have any problems that we can find. It's super clean underneath. It doesn't seem to be rusty at all. So should be a good baseline starter to have a little bit of fun with. So it has this horrible tint, which hopefully we can replace. That'll probably be our first project for this truck. And then maybe looking for some wheels and tires. But that's it, you guys. I mean, just a quick video to tell you about our new little project and to have a quick look around it. But make sure you guys stay tuned, and then we'll see where this thing goes.